my review for the Nutribullet. I am going to make my daughter and I a banana peanut butter with milk smoothie, and this thing is great. It's so quick and easy. It's a lifesaver. Even my kids, we have 4 boys, and they love using this to make smoothies. Even the kids can make it. So it's very easy. It's very quick. And what I like about it is it works every time. Even powders, like I'll make a avocado mousse and I put cocoa powder, and the powder just goes so quick and easy. So you just push down.
Oh no.
Oh, I put too much. Oh my goodness. It's so good. It makes perfect smoothies every time. Oh my god.
Dropping it everywhere.
It also comes with this really cool lid that you can just drink right out of it. I highly recommend this if you want to make smoothies or sauces at home. I love this one right here. 10 out of 10 recommend.